Do you know what half these symbols even are?
No. You see this this thing called Matlab?
Oh, that's not MATLAB.
Goes in S tier.
It's not MATLAB. It's MATLAB plus something.
Well, the Matlab part makes it S tier. What's
Does it though? Because you have to do both, you know?
well?
Like, yeah, humans are great and all, but they also have cancer. So if it says human cancer, that's not good, right? It says
Uh,
MATLAB Simulink.
all right. What do you think of Simulink, Matthew?
Is there an F tier on this list?
Oh
Can we
my!
add one? It's a waste of time. D.
Wait, why is
For me, it's a
Simulink?
D.
Simulink. It's a block diagram environment to design systems.
It's trash. It has no purpose.
Wait a second. Nope, S tier.
Okay, put an
S
S on
tier.
mine and D. We'll do two opposite ones. I'll do mine on this side.
Oh my gosh, you do yours on the side? Come on. Simulink. No.
All
I
right,
know what
next.
control diagrams are. Those are super necessary. Like, those are super duper
Yeah,
important.
totally.
So we have in X. In X is going to be C tier.
That's not what it is.
That's in X. Well, what is it?
It's Siemens NX.
God.
So were you putting it C tier?
Yes, C tier.
Why? Give your reasons.
Because in X is like CAD, and CAD is so much better. But in X is okay.
So why isn't it B tier or D tier or S tier? That's what you're supposed to give reasons.
Because B tier is more Arduino.
Why? I feel like this is all just wishy-washy. You have to give reasons. Like why can't NX be S tier? What's holding it back?
Because NX sucks.
How?
It's so frustrating. It was
I hate
like
it too, but why?
agonizing.
Because you hated the class that involved it?
The class was horrible. It was awful. I hated that class. I think I failed that class. No, wait. I dropped out of it. I screwed that
So why
class.
isn't it D tier then? Why is it C?
Okay, D tier. Fine. Put it D tier.
See, I can't persuade you. You have to give reasons and they have to back up,
D tier. It's D tier because that class sucks ass. There you go. That's
Okay,
it.
there you go. Well, now Arduino, what's up with that?
Arduino B tier.
Yeah, why?
Because it's not as good as the C8051.
If you say it like that, you can't be serious.
I am serious.
I'll put it in C tier from me.
You put in C tier? Fair enough.
It has ultimately no use, except for like
No,
prototyping stuff.
I agree. It should be in C tier.
Well, I can't. Why am I persuading you? This is dumb.
Now, wiring should be in B tier.
You're supposed to have your own opinions. Wiring is B tier. I think it means like breadboarding stuff. Or whatever it's
Breadboarding
called.
stuff and wiring stuff. So
It's
what
supposed
else?
to be a tier list of skills, not of your opinions.
Oh
Like,
my
do you think it's a
God.
good
Wait,
skill
wait,
or
these
not?
are my opinions.
No, it says electrical engineering skills tier list.
Yes.
So
Wait,
you
what?
have to pick.
What?
These are all
What?
skills.
What?
Are
No,
these
wait,
skills useful or not?
wait. This says skills.
It's not opinions. These aren't opinions. These are like this is a skill. Doesn't read the instructions.
Oh my gosh.
It's all a waste. Everything is a waste.
All right, so MATLAB is still S.
For you, I put it in D.
Are you joking me?
Can I add an F tier to this? Oh, you can add F tiers. Yes.
What is this stuff? Oh, that's probably there. Click.
Oh, it's finite element method magnetics is what it says. Yeah, I'll put that one in B tier.
So yeah, let's still B tier. Yep, fair enough.
And
Okay,
why is the breadboarding in B tier? Because of the B.
No. It's because it's a good skill, but there are more important skills. The hardware descriptive language
Home Depot.
is in C tier because it's useful, but
Like Verilog and stuff.
yes, yeah, actually no. Well, I mean, it's close, but not really. But it's kind of there, kind of not there. All right, so what is C? C programming language.
Vomit emoji.
B tier.
F tier.
It's pretty good. That makes sense.
I have probably 1,000 hours in that language, if not more, and I put an F tier
Why?
because
No, you're right.
everything is obfuscated by the compiler.
No, you're right. You're right.
No. You put it where you want, dude. Don't let me persuade you.
Fine. All right, I have a question. What is this DS thing?
I'll figure it out. Give me a sec. Obviously, if you don't know what it is, it's not important, right? So it's not important for engineers.
I mean,
Let's
it might.
see.
Why is it? I never seen this logo before. Maybe
Design Spark. What's Design Spark? It's an engineering platform. Blah blah blah. You can't. Oh, it's like 3D CAD. It's like NX. All right, F tier. Oh, it's owned by Ansys. Vomit emoji.
free 3D CAD solid modeling software application. So this is like Blender, but for engineers. Oh, So we're just going to put that right in C tier. So what is this, Excel?
Yep.
All right. There you go.
What?
Yes.
The whole world runs on Excel. You put it in D?
Yes.
I put it in F, but it's okay.
Okay, fair enough.
What's your reason? You gotta give a reason.
Okay, the reasoning is because Excel, you can learn how to do Excel in 10 minutes, and then you can do everything you need to do.
Exactly, but this is a skills list, right? How important is the skill?
Okay, it's important. Here's the thing. Any high schooler can learn how to use Excel in like 30 minutes or 1 hour, and then they got it, and then they're good. And Excel is an important skill, so they can just learn it. So it's easy to learn. So it's not that important. True that I've done so. See, Sir Vader knows what's what. Why is there a Club Penguin there? Matthew, what is Club Penguin?
Yeah, right. Amen. No, this is the Antarctic Wildlife Conservation Company called Linux.
Oh, Linux. Okay. Well, actually, no, I'll promote Linux.
I put your ranking in the Discord so everyone can see your official ranking.
I'm not done
AKA
yet.
my ranking.
All right. So what is this? Oh, I guess I'll just put it right there. That looks like being able to circuit design. Circuit design is in B tier because it's very, very important. Super important. Oh, function generators. I'll put it right there. That's probably good. What is the?
That is Python.
That's Python.
Yeah, that one goes in D tier, or you can add an F tier and do it that way. You got lethal injection as the next one, and you got what's that green one? Is that aliens? Design?
That looks like signals and systems. Signals is A tier. Python will go into C tier. Boom 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 boom.
So wait, why is Python lower than breadboarding?
These are the programming languages. Now the programming languages are essential to electrical engineering, but the most important thing about electrical engineering is the electrical engineering part.
Yeah, because I bet you guys do a lot of that, right?
No.
Nah.
There are
EEs,
more.
what they do is no.
What? No, you don't know what EEs do.
Engineers don't do any design work. Engineers only do coding and like tracking of projects. No engineer does any engineering work whatsoever, and no one has for like 30 years.
What? Okay. That is bull crap right there. Wrong.
I'll tell you, at my company, the number of engineers that do engineering work is really small.
All right, so what is this? Lethal interjection? Oh, that's soldering.
Nah, it's someone getting their blood drawn, I think.
All right, soldering is...
phlebotomy or whatever.
Nah. There we go. Soldering is D tier.
So you're telling me...
Yes, I'm telling you that circuits...
In terms of a skill...
Yes.
EEs do not need to know how to solder or use Excel.
I didn't say that. I didn't say they don't need to know it. I didn't say they don't need to know it.
You're saying that it's the least important of all the skills is Excel and soldering.
I'm saying that knowing how to program on a microcontroller is more important than knowing how to solder. I'm saying Linux
how do you get your peripherals to attach to the board?
Because you get the technicians to do it.
Slavery. This is modern day slavery. You're endorsing this.
They get paid. They get paid monies.
Yeah, slaves got, living quarters and stuff too.
Oh my God, this guy. Knowing how to use a circuit and knowing the theory is like a bit more important than knowing how to solder. You think I'm joking?
No. You put signal system analysis, whatever, ahead of Excel. This whole thing is bogus.
You can learn how to do Excel.
This doesn't make any sense. This is not the right logic. This is improper logic.
How's this improper logic?
He didn't follow the instructions.
Look,
He's supposed to be ranking what it's an important skill, but he just ranks his opinions instead.
No. This is an important skill.
Is breathing an important skill? Yes. It's easy, but it's still important. It's not related to how easy it is.
If you know how to do Matlab and you don't know Excel, I would just tell you, well, go learn Excel in an hour. Go figure it out. And then you'll go figure it out because that's your job, and then you'll do it. If you need to go figure out Matlab, tough luck. You're just done. You're done. Can't use Matlab? No, go away. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so Verilog goes in C tier.